spending this evening with me, and very happy to see you.
Thank you so much for giving me this platform and opportunity to be here with you on this particular platform. For me, it's a divine platform and divine time that we are finally talking together today. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah, I vaguely remember speaking to you 2 3 years ago, and I was
Hmm.
also a beginner coach, and we were figuring out in our own journey of becoming a coach or
True.
supporting this community. But I'm
Right.
really proud that how you have grown and how you have really personal level maybe and professional
Correct.
maybe you have got the transformation in your life, and very very happy for that. We'll run into
Thank
all
you.
of it, but the
Yes.
topic today for all the audiences, Tripti Khan is somebody who I know as a baker turned a coach, and she has a lot of hats. Let me put it that way, and she has got something very unique, which I love. Like you got something very unique from your life, and it's a legacy. I know you got it from your mom, and you're taking it forward. I'm so happy about it. So
Thank
this is
you.
inspiring, as you said. The
Yes.
millet foodpreneur you are.
Mm.
Tell me the turning point. I know you have this passion of baking, coaching, and a lot of other things. And how did it to turn around that you embraced millets and build a brand around it?
Great, fantastic. I mean, you are actually, by asking this question, you are taking me back to my, I would say, in my 20s. Because honestly speaking, I did not grow up loving food. So
Hmm.
I just ate it to survive because
Okay.
that was the environment at home. My father is a doctor, my mom is a homemaker, and I come from a typical Gujarati background.
Hmm.
So though we have some of these recipes and the dishes which are very popular among people across the world, but
Hmm.
our house was mainly, I would say, it was mere survival. I used to experiment a lot. I used to watch Sanju Kapoor's video a lot and experiment a lot, but they never took it seriously that I, or maybe look at that bent as a kind of, a kind of a career option then.
Hmm.
So, but when my daughter's doctor
Hmm.
wrote on her medical file that
Okay.
no milk, no biscuits,
Hmm.
and that was the moment I was frozen. And that night, I still remember around 11:30, I took my laptop and I started searching for it.
Hmm.
And when I actually started asking, earlier we had, we used to go to Google and ask a lot of questions. There were
Hmm.
no chat GPT back then. So I started doing a lot of my research and out of curiosity, and that curiosity turned into a deep research, um, not only through Google. In fact, I went across to various universities, still Tom Hopkins University, and I learned that the processed food, sugar,
Hmm.
and milk were actually causing more harm than we realize.
Oh.
And that is when I started replacing them with homemade snacks, whether it is savory or sweet. But I started experimenting because I think when I was 12, I had baked the first cake, that rava cake, which was no cream, no fancy equipments.
Hmm.
And I never liked those creams and artificial, those flavors, toppings on the cake. I always liked the tea time cakes. So I started making those along with some of these traditional Gujarati recipes, turn them into a healthy snack. So my whole experimenting attitude or nature,
Hmm.
I kind of got a direction and started working on it. And by 2016 is when got introduced to millets,
Hmm.
and they were, I just got to know that they were our Indian superfood, because back then in 2016, while I was exploring plant-based diet and food lifestyle and a lot of other things, reversal, disease reversal, and all that stuff, is when I got to know about millets, that millets also help us reverse our disease.
Hmm.
And that is where slowly, gradually, I started building recipes, the tea time cakes, which were my specialty, which are my specialty, I would say. So I started actually using millets with those, and again vegan, and which are not with not with nasty ingredients. So I started making those mindfully and with a clean ingredient. So the whole focus was actually, I would say that it was more of a healing, because when the pediatrician told me about no milk and no biscuits, I had asked her, then then what? Because I have grown up eating
Yeah,
junk food. So that was, I would say, the
that
turning
was the
point.
turning point.
Absolutely.
I remember having this conversation, I don't know, years back, when we were talking about your baking and the unique requests you used to get, no, like,
Hmm.
no, you mix bajra with,
Yes.
avoiding maida and all of
Correct.
that. So it was too creative. Like, you put in a lot of research and effort to really make a cake, and it is not that the regular ones. Even for the Christmas, I still receive your flyers, so we've been in touch,
Hmm.
and happy that your personal story, your personal journey is turning out to be a startup that you are, or the
Yes.
name that you're taking ahead now. So
Yes.
what is this SIP formula? Like, this is one, trademark item you have put.
Yeah. So, SIP, it's an abbreviation to this three-step formula, which is an ecosystem, or which is a blueprint which I have curated, which makes, in fact, which I have used it personally, and I know that it works. It's a system. Uh,
Mhm.
S stands for structure, I stands for income, and P is for process. See,
Hmm.
if you see this recipe, like for example, if I give you one recipe and if you don't follow that recipe to the T, you
Hmm.
won't get the same result. It's exactly the same. Even bakers, even the food entrepreneurs today, if you see,
Hmm.
the statistical data is very, very alarming, I would say, in India,
Hmm.
because um, जो स्पीड से क्लाउड किचन फूड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स शुरू हो रहे हैं,
Hmm.
स्टार्टअप्स आ रहे हैं, उससे ज्यादा तो बंद हो रहे हैं. For a simple reason, yeah, because I have a lot of students. I mean, I used to teach children, students, housewives, homemakers, entrepreneurs, food entrepreneurs, because I have that hat of award winning chef, and then people used to start asking कि इसको कैसे करेंगे, because typically अगर शेफ बोला तो उनके दिमाग में वही आता है.
Hmm.
And so I always felt that any mom or a woman who want to build a food business from home,
Hmm.
if they follow only this SIP structure, where you actually select one brand, one product, one master recipe, which
Yeah.
I am very confident and kind of very confident and convinced about that, and one platform which I need to put it up, that
Yeah.
particular product, and I'm done. Because we have been conditioned like that कि मेनू है तो elaborate मेनू होना चाहिए.
Hmm.
But if you see, if you start becoming mindful, then you will also realize, when I'm sharing this, what I'm about to
Yes.
share this, that when we go to the restaurant, a la carte menu, as soon as we open, we kind of get confused. क्या
Yes.
order करें? And then what you do, you end up asking the manager or the जो वेटर आया है उसी को पूछते हैं, आपके होटल का क्या स्पेशलिटी है, या क्या
Right.
पॉपुलर है, क्या फेमस है ना.
Hmm.
तो आप देखोगे कि पीपल आर एक्चुअली, we know that we want to eat something which is very, very special to that particular restaurant, to that particular chef. That is why we go there.
Hmm.
And we forget, when we want to start our business, we feel अच्छा इनको ये भी चाहिए, इनको ये भी चाहिए. So then now after COVID especially, it is less is more, and that is where the structure, because I always had only 5 to 6 categories of cakes, and that too tea time cake, that too only with vegan option, and no nasty ingredient, no butter, no maida, no sugar. सो कभी इनिशियली तो मतलब 13-14 साल पहले मुझे ये लोग पूछते थे, केक ही बना रही हो ना कि कुछ और बना रहे हो. तो मतलब उसको केक ही बोलेंगे ना, है ना.
Hmm.
इमेजिन, मुझे ये लगता था लोग ऐसे क्यों कर रहे हैं, मतलब मुझे
Yeah.
अजीब लगता था। आज भी बोलते हैं कुछ लोग, बट अवेयरनेस हो गई है तो एटलीस्ट थैंकफुली
Yeah.
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट ऑफन। बट अर्लियर एवरी सिंगल पर्सन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू टेल देम दैट दिस केक डज नॉट हैव मैदा, बटर, इवन समटाइम्स नो मिल्क, नो दही, वही चीजों से तो बनती है केक। तो उनको लगता था तुम केक ही बना रहे हो ना, कि कुछ और ही बना रहे हो।
Right.
So that was one structure. Income, because see, I have seen moms or home bakers or women who are aspiring food entrepreneur
Hmm.
always struggle how to price my product.
Yes.
टिपिकली जो कॉस्टिंग है उसको हम कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद हम अपना मार्जिन लगा देते हैं, बट वो बाकी सारी चीजें हम नहीं ऐड करते
Yeah.
हैं, जो मार्केटिंग एक्सपेंस ये वो सब हम नहीं करते। सो आई एक्चुअली टीच हाउ टू प्राइस, पैकेज, सेल, बिकॉज विमेन, again, sales and marketing does not come very naturally to
Yes.
them. It is naturally, but when it comes to my business, it doesn't come naturally. Then it becomes kind of an obligation. Kya re baapre. So then, how to get those five orders in a day, slowly, gradually to start with. And P is process. Once the process has been followed, the same recipe, when you are making it five, I I basically focuses on the process where even if you get tomorrow 500 orders, then it should have the same
Yeah.
output, same
Wonderful.
quantity, same taste. So
Wonderful.
this is the overall structure, income,
So
and
in three
process.
steps, you have got them something that is, not just unique, and it is, it's a profitable, viable solution. At the same time, it is a scalable solution.
Absolutely.
Very nice. Very nice.
Yes.
And I know for women, easiest way to start entrepreneurship is from the kitchen. Okay, this is where we spend a
Absolutely.
lot of time. And
Yes.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू सेड इज टू नो, जैसे लेस इज मोर, और वो बीइंग जो यूनिक है, कि एक प्रोडक्ट लेके चलो, जो हम
Hmm.
निश क्लैरिटी इन कोचिंग में कहते हैं ना, कि डोंट बी इन द मार्केट,
Correct.
just be that one that can
Yes.
stand out, and you're so confident that you can do
Correct.
this. Very good point. And the other one was the pricing and packaging part, क्योंकि you don't count your time, you don't count your effort, you don't count, you don't reconsider your worth in really bringing that piece of product out
Absolutely.
in the market. तो वो हम often as women we sideline कर देते हैं, we just see what is there in the market and
Correct.
उस हिसाब से price कर देते हैं. So which is a wrong way of approaching the thing. Very beautifully said.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
अगर like in just in case, like no, like आपकी तरह स्टार शेफ नहीं है, या फिर कोई प्रोग्राम किया नहीं है, कुकिंग का,
Hmm.
they don't have a setup
Hmm.
of a kitchen where they can think of starting a business. Is it possible like कि घर से शुरू कर सकते हैं? How you and your students, how you help them manage when they want to start?
Absolutely. My, in fact, winning that chef degree was more from seeking an identity which I had lost during motherhood, to be honest.
Yeah.
So it was more of a regaining that identity, and I had to showcase something, and that became a food, and then eventually that happened. So I always, and even there, that is also there on YouTube. So even there, when I go back to those videos, I realize I had said one thing, that ये जो डिश मैं बना रही हूँ, ये मुझसे अच्छा कोई नहीं बना
Wow.
सकता, इतना अच्छा तो कोई नहीं बना सकता। तो मतलब वो जो वो जो कन्विक्शन था, शायद वो बाय ऐसे नेचुरली आया, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी इम्प्रॉम्प्टू पर्सन, आई डोंट स्क्रिप्ट, और
Yeah.
कहते हैं ना हम, मतलब जो दिल में आता है वो बोल देते हैं। तो मेरा ये था, और वो टाइम पे इनफैक्ट बिकॉज my daughter was only 2.5 when this happened. So I used to spend a lot of my time in the kitchen. And that is where, in fact, I had actually started experimenting a lot. And my kitchen actually became a kind of, lab,
Hmm.
kitchen lab. So I feel, and why I started this helping women to start from kitchen, because I have always scaled my business, launched my business from kitchen. I never had those big
Hmm.
kitchen. Only from home, I had actually started serving 200
Hmm.
people from home. while I was doing my catering and virtual restaurant business way back, I mean, pre-COVID. So, and then finally, when I closed down, I was serving around 1,300 health enthusiasts, basically, marathon runners. So, all that I actually managed from the kitchen which
Wow.
I had. So, it's very easy. Only thing is, थोड़ा सा आपको छोटी छोटी चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना होता है. और हम होम मेकर्स जो होते हैं उन वी डोंट नीड एनी डिग्री,
Yeah.
स्पेशल डिग्री. हमारे अंदर ऑलरेडी वो बहुत सारी दादी की, नानी की बहुत सारी स्पेशल रेसिपीज है, स्टोर है. एंड with this, actually one can give wings to those recipes and make those recipes reach out to those uh, who who are absolutely unaware
Yeah.
of, especially the millennials and Gen Zs and this generation. Because when I actually presented that dish, the whole वो मेरे हस्बैंड की तरफ का इनफैक्ट वो डिश था. बट जब हमने हमने बनाया, वेज वर्जन बनाया, आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, till 2015 that dish was not being served in any
Oh.
restaurant. It was only being prepared in the houses.
Hmm.
वो कम्युनिटी के घर पे ही बनती थी वो डिशेस. कभी रेस्टोरेंट में खुलेआम ऐसे किसी ने नहीं बनाई. बट जब वो 2013 में हुआ, उसके बाद फर्स्ट टाइम संजय कपूर एक्चुअली introduced that recipe, veg and non-veg both version, in his own yellow chili restaurant.
Wow. So beautiful.
तो मुझे ये लगता है कि हर वो होम मेकर मॉम कर सकती है.
Yeah.
एंड दे डोंट नीड एनी स्पेशल डिग्री. वो रोटी काउंटर और मिक्सर ग्राइंडर से
शुरू
ही
कर
काफी सारा चीज ग्रो हो जाता
Yeah,
है.
rightly said. Like I remember one of my mentors telling, like everybody starts with zero. So no, it's okay to start from home, and you can have one client से 10 से 100 बन सकते हैं. Very rightly
यस,
said.
यस.
Now moving on, I want to know what are the common fears or myths. जैसे आपने like you said the rate at which the new food businesses are starting faster, they are getting close. So what are the, like to understand like what is the fear and myth और market का जो लोगों को लगता है everything can work ऐसा ना when everybody starts, तो ऐसा भी एक myth हो सकता है. I'm just throwing. And how do we help them overcome those fears and myths and really become someone who's owning a food brand. मतलब एक food brand own करना is a different game to just get started.
यस, absolutely. Fantastic question, I would say, because I took, I would say, I took almost 2.5 year to fight my own fears, and with a lot of people's help, I could
Yeah.
do that. एक कॉमन फियर है जो कितने भी कॉन्फिडेंट फूड एंटरप्रेन्योर होंगे, तो भी ये फियर हर रोज सुबह जब दुकान खोलते हैं, शॉप खोलते हैं, अपना बिजनेस ओपन करते हैं, तो एक फियर तो आता ही है. व्हाट इफ नो वन बाइज? क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि आज मैंने इतना बनाया है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल
Hmm.
बेकर्स, there are a couple of bakers in my community who are struggling actually to get
Okay.
orders. उनको लिटरली मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि अपने जो क्लाइंट्स है उनको पिंग कर
They
करके,
was.
रिक्वेस्ट कर करके बोलना पड़ता है, प्लीज रेफरेंस दे दो, रेफरेंस दे दो, किसी को रेफर कर दो, कोई है कि आपके बर्थडे है, एनिवर्सरीज है, ऐसा. बिकॉज उनको लगता है कि अगर आज मैंने कुछ बनाया, समझो आज मैंने जो केक बना रही हूँ वो ऑर्डर पे आएगा, तो वो ऑर्डर की कंसिस्टेंसी कंफर्म नहीं है. बिकॉज दे आर स्टक विद दैट पर्टिकुलर वन थिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उनको लगता है कि इतना ही पॉसिबल है. और वो भी मैं बताती हूँ कि वो फियर के अलावा भी एक और लेयर है उसके अंदर. आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट पीपल यूज टू गो फ्रॉम आउटवर्ड टू इनवर्ड. मतलब बाहर क्या डिमांड है वो मैं बना दूंगी, वो नहीं बनाऊंगी जो बनाने में मुझे मजा
Very
आता है.
good.
I had actually fought with this inner battle for quite some time, though I knew what I really love doing, but because there were a lot of layers on that, कि if someone calls me baker, oh, that title I don't want to own it because I already have a chef title, I have this title. वो कहते हैं ना, हम हमारी कंडीशनिंग वैसी है कि हम सिर्फ टाइटलों में घुसा रहता है कि एक के बाद एक के बाद एक टाइटल
Right.
जब मिलता है तो हमें वो ईगो ईगो तो ना हो, पैम्परिंग हो जाती है, बट बैंक बैलेंस में नहीं दिखता है वो. सो दैट वाज वन दैट
Beautiful.
व्हाट इफ नो वन बाइज, देयर इज नो कस्टमर. पहली बात तो. सेकंड फियर बहुत बड़ा है वो, I don't know this. And that is why, if you see, I used to hop classes,
Mm. Yeah.
sessions, coaching sessions, one after the other. मतलब कोई अगर समझो, for example, way back around 6-7 years ago, when I was studying this and experimenting lot of my cakes, अगर किसी ने टी टाइम केक का कोई क्लास कर अनाउंस कर
Mm.
दिया, भले वो मैदे वाला सिखा
Mm.
रहा है, एगलेस वाला, बट मैदे वाला सिखा रहा है, तो आई वुड स्टिल गो एंड पे एंड लर्न, थिंकिंग that what I know is not enough.
Oh.
I should know, I should be expert in it.
Mm.
वो भी एक कंडीशनिंग है कि
Not enough.
आप तभी कुछ कर सकते हो जब आप एक्सपर्ट हो जाओ.
Yes.
मतलब
True.
आपको जो पता है वो हमेशा कम ही है.
Mm.
आई मीन वो
Very
मैंने
beautiful.
देखा है बहुत, स्पेशली वुमेन्स मॉम्स में, हम में बहुत है वो कूट कूट के भरा है. और दूसरा कि वो तो आई थिंक आपको भी पता है नाउ, यू नो व्हाट विल पीपल से, क्या कहेंगे लोग, सबसे बड़ा रोग.
Yeah.
तो
Very good.
थैंकफुली मैंने जब से होश संभाला है, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा दुनिया के बारे में.
I think that's
कभी.
one of the reasons we both are here today.
Because my father used to get furious when I used to ask questions कि ये क्यों करना है, ऐसे ही क्यों करना है, और उससे क्या होगा. So my three questions used to be, he by around by the time I finished my graduation, he knew कि अगर इसको कुछ भी बोलेंगे तो ये 3 सवाल आएंगे, क्यों करना है, क्या होगा, और क्यों करेंगे.
Hmm.
मतलब क्या ये करने से क्या होगा,
क्या
ऐसा.
होगा? Very
तो
beautiful, Tripti, because these are very common. I think this goes with any entrepreneur for that matter. When it comes
absolutely.
to the who will buy, I'm not
Yes.
enough, and really, जो outward to inward, जो आपने बोला ना,
Hmm.
that's where people get uh,
Yes.
distracted. I would say एक distracted होता है rather than doing that inner work, जो owning your own light, yeah, your own gold that you
True.
have it, and उसको acknowledge करना, appreciate करना, और उसे लोगों के साथ share करना. This is the entire journey, the gift you have got, you're sharing with it with others, and
Yes.
उसमें कोई competition नहीं, it's all yours,
Thank
and
you.
you are
Yes.
the owner of it. And
Absolutely.
I think you have put everything very nicely, and I'm relating to it. It is nothing like you are talking as a food, no, owner of a food brand, but for an entrepreneur who is into coaching and teaching, these fears and myths are there to haunt us every day. Uh,
Yeah.
and tell me a little bit about, as you work predominantly with moms and helping them become, how do you help them stand out? Anyways, we started with this. And is there any storytelling or branding that you suggest, like how to create an impactful brand as a food business owner?
So since I have started recently, it's a very so this entire movement took some time to actually go all out and start talking about it. But I always tell this to my students that don't try to be big brands.
Hmm.
Usually, in this era of social media,
Hmm.
वो इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स स्क्रॉल करते करते उनको लगता है कि हर कोई बड़ा ब्रांड है मेरे को छोड़ के. मैं दुखियारी मीना कुमारी टाइप्स, तो हमेशा वो कितना भी हम, मतलब वो कंडीशनिंग है ना, वो लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है जिसके ऊपर काम करना बाकी है. तो
Hmm.
मैंने तो हमारे कम्युनिटी में एक, सो इट्स दो इट इज ओनली अबाउट मिलेट प्रूनर, बट इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट फूड और रेसिपीज. इट इज इनफैक्ट 80% I work on their mindset and
Yeah.
20% are recipes, because even the
Skills.
business is what I realized in last 7.5 years. entrepreneurship, especially, this was a big breakthrough for me, that entrepreneurship is not running a traditional typical business. It's
Hmm.
actually going inward. Have
Hmm.
you become the better version of yourself, your business also becomes better version.
Yes,
Your business also,
absolutely.
it's absolute correlation to that. तो मुझे जब वो रियलाइज हुआ कुछ सालों पहले, तब ऐसे, मतलब ऐसे चमका था कि अरे, मैं जो समझती थी वो तो मतलब या तो एमबीए में जो सिखाते थे हमको
Hmm.
बिजनेस के बारे में, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में, इतने बड़े बड़े टाइटल्स और ये, तो I always thought that it's an easy game, or probably it's just a number game. But
Hmm.
obviously, with moms, with homemakers, when I work, I have to really work hard for mindset, basically mindset, subconscious programming. Especially with this, also where they are surrounded and distracted every day by so
Hmm.
many reels and sessions and things like that. Because initially happened that when I used to tell them वी मीट वंस अ वीक, सो आज मैंने सेशन लिया है, होमवर्क दिया है, असाइनमेंट्स है, वो सब करने के बीच में जब सपोर्ट का बात आता है तो उसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे सवाल आते थे जो मुझे
Hmm.
समझता था कि अरे, ये पक्का कोई रील देख के ही दिमाग में आया है
Hmm.
कीड़ा। तो अभी वो
Hmm.
अभी कीड़े को निकालना है या तो उसको चुप करना है। तो ऑब्वियसली वो कहाँ जाएंगे, मेरे पास आएंगे। तो मुझे समझ में आया, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन देयर, दैट इज व्हाई आई नो।
You know
Because
that.
I also have been distracted multiple zillion times,
Hmm.
and I know that by only getting distracted, I'm actually deviating myself and focus to something else which is not helping me in my journey. So I always tell them that whatever you know, whatever little you know, even one recipe that you are perfect in, that is
Hmm.
your superpower. Because nobody can do that better than you पूरे
Correct.
वर्ल्ड में। और मैं हमेशा एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि 800 करोड़ लोग हैं। मैं हर सेशन में ये उनको याद दिलाती हूँ दैट अबंडेंस माइंडसेट कैसे आएगा। सबसे पहले ये जान लो कि 800 करोड़ लोग हैं दुनिया में, आपको कितना चाहिए उसका परसेंटेज, 0.00001। अगर
Hmm.
उतना भी आया तो क्या आप टैकल कर पाओगे? हम रेवेन्यू की तो बात कर ही नहीं रहे हैं। उतने भी अगर क्लाइंट आए तो क्या आप टैकल कर पाओगे? सो
Hmm.
तो हम क्या ही कंपटीशन की और क्या एक्सपर्ट और क्या ही हम बात कर रहे हैं। Everyone is unique and everyone has its own superpower. So I always tell them that one grandma recipe which you are excelled in, or forget about grandma, nani और दादी, because
Hmm.
हर किसी को वो कहते हैं ना लेगेसी में नहीं मिलता है।
Yes. Yeah.
क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरी दादी ने ऐसे लेगेसी लेगेसी नहीं दिया कुछ भी। माय मॉम डज नॉट नो। इनफैक्ट व्हाटएवर आई कुड एब्सॉर्ब while I was spending most of my time with my grandmom, I learned that because नानी के साथ तो टाइम बिताने का टाइम ही नहीं था, आई वुड से।
Hmm.
हम 1 महीना चाहते थे, उसमें भी बाकी
Yeah.
सब चीजों में चले जाता था। कुकिंग पर से और रेसिपी एक्सटेंशन, आई वुड
Don't.
से
Yeah.
never got it. So some of them have got it. I always say that you are lucky and that is your superpower, because
Hmm.
that is something which people will miss after 30 years, 20 years, 50 years from now.
Definitely, definitely. Very beautifully said. And tell the audience a little bit about your program, like how you take students, how they can apply, and where they can find you. I know this conversation has inspired many people who may be listening this on live or on a replay. So tell us how people can connect and what are the services you offer, so that that would help them.
Sure. So as my Instagram handle says, I'm a millet coach Trupti. So they can look for that, or even on Google, if they type Trupti Khan or Chef Trupti Khan, they will get to see all my past work and places which I have served and people I have served. So,
So,
and
one.
as far as the programs are concerned, again, this is I'm helping. My vision is basically to build 100,000 milletpreneur by 2030, where this milletpreneurs will be focusing on um, helping families ditch packaged and processed food. A
Hmm.
smallest thing like bread, which people Indian homes, we consume it every alternate day, or some, I mean, youth based, especially if you see today, they in
Hmm.
fact their breakfast is bread butter jam or bread toast and all
Yeah.
that. So there is so much opportunity potential only in that space. And one of
Hmm.
my student, she is expert in it and she's working on towards that. She's from Pune. So one snack, one particular dish, and the entire following SIP formula system, rituals, mindset, and I help them earn anywhere between 50,000 to 1 lakh in 90 days.
Wow. Super. Wonderful. So good news for all those women and men as well who want to, leverage their skills, the recipes, or anything that you have got from your legacy, or maybe you want to join the movement. What Tripti is in, I know this is no, I would say a baby, another baby that you have got. The idea
Yes.
of being a chef, and this movement of millets that you are bringing to the world. And I'm really moved by your vision and mission, and I'm a partner with you in this journey. And I since I specialize in helping women find that gold that they have, and
Hmm.
acknowledge and start sharing
Yes.
with people and make a difference for themselves and others. And looking forward to a lot of success and partnering with you in this journey and helping you get to your milestones. And thank you so much, Tripti, for sharing this time with
Thank
all
you.
of us. And we will keep in touch. And any
Yes.
closing message for the audience?
I would say join in this bandwagon because the whole purpose of doing this or starting this movement was only this because of kids. I realized that the change, and thanks to, I'm so grateful to that pediatrician actually who wrote that message on first month itself after my baby born, that no milk and no biscuits. I actually did not do that, followed her completely. That I would say prevented lot of, I would say, lifestyle disease which children currently today
Yeah.
across India is going through. And it's really heart wrenching because getting early asthma, diabetes, early, puberty, all these is the sign of the food which we eat. And we
True.
are absolutely not aware of, conscious of that what we are putting in our body. So I have realized that I'm passionate about bringing that change. I have been doing that, but now I'm going all out and need support from you and everyone who's watching this to join this, or maybe they can pass it on to someone who's actually looking for something to build of their own and really want to contribute to the society.
Wonderful. I know, Trupti, you're a leader, and it's time to create leaders like you. And I'd love to be part of this mission of really creating leaders who could, acknowledge the goal that they got and here to share with the world. And thank you so much, and
Thank
take
you so
care.
much.
I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Good night, everyone. Bye.